and back them as she starts another day. Carefully she makes her way beside the mountain streams as she sings an island chant of long ago. Sweet, sweet Lady of Waiahole, sitting by the highway, selling her papaya, green and ripe banana. Walking down the damp and rock and roll, her humble wagon stops. She watched the sun peeks through the valley skies, smiles and wipes her sweat up from her brow, continue moves on and starts her journey through the highway rising sun. And she would sing, sweet, sweet Lady of Waiahole, sitting by the highway, selling her papaya, the green and ripe banana. Later in the evening she would gather all her island goods, pack them as she ends another day. Carefully she makes her way beside the mountain streams as she sings an island chant of long ago. And she would sing now, sweet, sweet Lady of Waiahole, sitting by the highway, selling her papaya, the green and ripe banana. Sweet, sweet Lady of Waiahole, sitting by the highway, selling her papaya, the green and ripe banana. Everybody sing sweet, sweet